When it comes to windows, there's a variety of materials to choose from. Wood windows are typically the most expensive option, but they are also the most versatile. They can be constructed in any style, stained any shade, or painted any color. Wooden windows can be custom made to match the home's existing windows. This style is called a traditional double hung. Its upper and lower sections open independently of each other. Manufacturers make windows from a variety of woods. This company uses mahogany, a premium rot-resistant hardwood. This computer-guided saw cuts pieces of wood to the required length. The next machine, called the jointer, squares the edges and smooths the surfaces. Now they mill each piece to the final shape. A vacuum holds it steady, while a computer-guided router works at it from all angles. The router uses up to 33 different tools from its onboard magazine. This piece will be part of a curved window. One tool cuts the basic shape, another tool profiles, and the other bores holes for the dowels. 12 different tools later, this is the final shape. An assembler pours glue in the holes, then inserts wood dowels. Their unique shape allows the glue to surround the dowel, maximizing adhesion. Using the dowels as a guide, he connects the two vertical pieces of the window, the rails, with the horizontal pieces, the stiles. This forms the window's sash. He clamps the sash in a hydraulic press. It's calibrated to join the parts together with just the right amount of pressure. He dries the glue with the radio frequency heating device. They return the piece to the computer-guided router for the final milling. This sideways saw cuts a slot down each side for weather stripping. For double-hung windows, another tool cuts openings along the edge. These openings will hold weighted cords that counterbalance the sash. Then they put the finished sash through a sanding machine. The machine removes tool marks and preps the surface for a paint primer. They install the muntins, short pieces inside the sash that form decorative squares. First, the horizontal muntins, then the vertical ones. Each square will contain its own pane of glass. They sand the muntins by hand to smooth the surface for finishing. Then the sash is sprayed with a water-based primer. Once the primer dries, the sash goes to the glazing department. This is where they cut the glass panes to size. Windows can have single, double, or triple panes, separated by an aluminum spacer bar. This is a single-pane window. The glazer applies a bead of caulk to the inner ledge of the sash, then sets the glass on it. He secures the glass in place by one of two methods, either by driving in tiny flat nails called glazing points, or by caulking the perimeter and applying small moldings called glazing beads. The glazing beads are fastened to the sash with small nails. Once the glass is secure, the worker removes the excess caulk, cleans the glass, and inspects it for any marks or scratches. The final step is to install the hardware. It varies by window style. A double-hung window has a bar lift on the bottom and a latch that locks together the two sashes. You release the latch to open either one. Once the sashes are installed, they can be painted to match any home's exterior.